Updating your business profile on Wallester is essential for maintaining accurate information and ensuring effective communication with your customers. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile Settings section. This is usually found in the account dashboard or under a menu labeled Settings or Profile. Step 3. Edit Business Information. In the Profile settings, find the option to edit your business information. Here, you can update details such as your business name, address, contact information, and website URL. Step 4. Review and save changes. After making the necessary updates, review all changes to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, look for a Save or Update button to apply the changes to your profile. Step 5. Verify updates. Finally, log out and log back in or refresh your profile page to verify that the updates have been successfully applied. This ensures that all information is current and visible to your customers. By following these steps, you can easily keep your business profile up to date on Wallester, helping to enhance your online presence and customer engagement.